Hi everyone! We're here at San Antonio Exchange Terminal. There's a Starbucks here. I'm with my mom and sister and my dog. Oh, I miss you, Daffy. But I'm with Pogi and now we are here. This is the view. This is just right beside the road. And there's a Korean bubble tea and chicken. So we will eat dinner here. Because my tire got flat or busted. Oh no, not busted. There's a nail. That's where we bought our food. Outside sitting. This is the Alfresco area. It's a nice place for with them. And this is the Starbucks. And then here's Polly. Polly! Ah! Chamanon! Baby girl. And she's just chilling and waiting for the chicken. Olgie, gusto ng chicken? So, just gonna wait for our orders. Kit ako na to. Mami, makikibantay mo na. We're gonna get our order. Kit. And chicken and
yung order ate, okay na po na?
ay wala. This is the menu. This is the place. So cute. We're gonna wait for our order. Okay na? Look at that chicken. Cutie. Hi, Mama. It's a chicken, Mama. Hi, Corey Blake. Hi, husband. Hey. Our orders are here. Thank you. You can check out our order. We're going out. Sorry if I keep moving, but this is the place. I'm just vlogging because I love food trip. Bye-bye girl! Say bye-bye na. Polgi, say bye-bye. Ay, ayaw pala niya. She don't want anyone saying bye-bye to her. So, just say, hello Polgi! Iit na si Polgi. Mag-iit ikaw. Apa nga ma? Mag-iit na si Polgi. Apa, ano po iit? Check natin ang food. She's so cute talaga. So, this is our food. You can see the foods inside maybe on my husband's channel at Corey. So, that's it. Just gonna drink this favorite chocolate chip cream. So, bye everyone.